What's going on, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm excited to show you the completed project, how we've taken this 3-bedroom house and turned it into another luxury 6-bedroom HMO. Follow me. All right, guys, so if you come inside, you'll be able to see this is the beautiful communal corridor. Again, we've got our beautiful pieces of artwork just to kind of add a pop of color to the room. Our dado rail, which again is another signature piece that we like to feature. But follow me and I'll take you upstairs to room 1 of 6. All right, so now we are in what is room 1 of 6, the loft room. So again, this is a space that we've created completely from scratch. You guys can see we've gone for our signature high-end finish we've got the grey lick paint here, the green detailing. We've got our high-end furniture, see wardrobes, and this is something that we've done a little bit different in this one, is we've got this nice larder unit. Because this room hasn't got a kitchen, and rather than them having to travel all the way downstairs, we've got a nice mini fridge, kettle, and they've got a microwave. So it's kind of like a nice little touch, so you don't really have to travel all the way downstairs. Follow me to the last section here, which is their ensuite. Again, standard 3-piece ensuite that we've already done before. And finally, I'll show you in this room, they've got a nice additional storage right on there. It's a bit messy because some of the builders have kept their stuff in there, but yeah. If you guys follow me now, I'll take you downstairs to room 2 of 6. All right, so we are now in room 2 of 6, and this is actually one of our studio rooms. So you can see in this room, we've gone for this high-spec Howden's kitchen in a nice grey with gold detailings. If you spin around, again, high-end furniture and appliances with our nice grey feature wall and just white walls. Again, we've kind of gone for the same grey feature wall in every room just for maintenance issues and kind of just to make the project flow much easier. In the past, we've used different colours, which has then presented a challenge when we need to repaint and buy different paint. So what we've done, stuck to one colour, made life so much easier. Every room has got its own fuse box, which makes life easier in terms of just being able to separate and isolate each room on its own separate electrics. Again, high-end ensuite for our tenants, 3-piece as usual. But yeah, this is another room which has also been rented already. If you follow me, I'll take you into room 3 of 6. All right, so we are now in room 3 of 6. This is, again, is another one of our studio style rooms. You guys can see we've gone for our grey feature walls, high-end furniture, our usual high-end spec. So one of the great things about this room has to be the split of the studio. So it really feels like a studio room because you have your bedroom side down there, and then also you have your full-on kitchen. Again, beautiful Howden's kitchen that we've used here with the gold detailing, and then they have their ensuite tucked right in here. So yeah, this probably is, I would say, my favorite room just because of how it feels, and this room again has already been let. So follow me and I'll take you downstairs to the ground floor rooms. All right, so before we go into room 4, follow me and I'll take you into the communal kitchen. So this is the communal kitchen space we have created. Now, we really wanted to utilize the space as much as possible, so it's kind of like a unique kind of L shape, and then downstairs you've got its own kind of like separate utility section. So again, in this one we've gone for this nice kind of like sage green with black details throughout. You've got, again, kind of like nice appliances for tenants, again just kind of providing a really good quality high-end finish. Now, the great thing about this kitchen as well is that, as you guys have seen in the rooms upstairs, they all have their own kind of cooking appliances. So the rooms downstairs on the ground floor is shared between, well, it's about 3 rooms on the ground floor who will be using this kitchen. So you can see this kitchen is more than big enough for 3 people. I'll quickly show you the utility area, which is just down here. I'm sure we'll get some B-roll, so you guys can see it's a nice separate utility area for tenants to use. They can also prepare some food here if they wanted to as well. We're just testing out the washing machine to make sure everything works. But yeah, follow me and I'll take you into room 4. Okay, so we are now downstairs in one of our ensuite rooms. As you guys can see, again, very high-end finish. This room actually has two nice little shelves above. Again, to utilize the space, you guys can see we've got our storage, furniture units, desk. This is actually an extension, so we actually built out this whole space. It used to be an actual old bathroom, which used to kind of like stop about here. Then we've kind of extended out. That's why you guys can see these kind of like pillars here. That's where the extension actually begins. And then right at the back, you have the ensuite to this bedroom here. This was actually one of the first rooms to rent as well, getting a rent which was very high of $750, so very happy with that rental figure. But yeah, follow me now and I'll take you into room number 5. All right, so we are now in what is room 5 of 6. Now, quite a lot of work has gone into this room in terms of being able to convert part of the conservatory. So if we spin around into this section, so what you're seeing here is one side, I'm standing in the conservatory. On the other side, I was standing in what used to be part of the house, but what we've done is made it into one big open space, again, to utilize the look and feel of the room. If you come back round up here, again, they have all their high-end appliances, storage, desks, etc. They've got their 3-piece ensuite over here. And again, another fantastic room, and I love how we've really utilized the space and kind of made it a very unique room in terms of the separation between kind of like your sleeping area down there, and then you've got your kind of living area up here. But yeah, follow me now, I'll take you into the final room, and yeah, we can go from there. All right, so we are now in room 6 of 6. This is our room at the front of the house, our bay window room. Again, another beautiful double ensuite room designed to our high standard as usual. They've got their built-in furniture, desk space over there, and their signature 3-piece ensuite. Yeah, this project has been definitely another successful project. It has had its challenges, which of course I'll discuss in another separate video, along with the numbers. I know you guys really like to hear about the numbers, so look out for a separate video whereby I'll discussing the specific numbers that we achieved on this project. But yeah, for now, this is the project. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and yeah, follow for more.